Oh, shit.
Okay, we're doing a couple of things today. I've got all my whoops out because I'm taking them back to this controller, the Radiomaster Pocket. I was using the new BetaFPV's budget controller to test it out, and I do like it. It's really cool. It's more joysticky, more like a game controller, very similar to the DJI one, and the quality for the price is really, really good. However, I want to start using a lot of the functions on the Radiomaster, so I'm going back to this one. So I'll be interested to see how that feels. So what done is I've just connected all the whoops back up to Express LRS. So you just plug the little dongle in. Where's the little dongle? This thing here. That plugs in to there, and then you keep it on there for 60 seconds. Wait 60 seconds. The Wi-Fi signal then comes up. It's Express LRS RX. So it shows it there. Express LRS. You click on that and then it pops up with a thing, and you can just go into change the binding phase, which I've put on the Radiomaster as well. So I've done that with all the drones, and then now I need to quickly go in. I've got the Neo on charge because we're going to go for a blast in a few minutes, but I want to try and work out what's going on with the camera on the 75 Meteor, and I do have a spare part. So this stopped working, the motor's messed up and stuff, so I just bought another Air 65 because these are so cheap. I didn't want to mess around, or I couldn't work out what was going on. So now I've got this one for parts, but the cool thing is the camera on this is plug and play, so there's like a little plug there. I'm hoping that I can just swap the camera over for this and it's going to work. I don't know if it will, but this stuff's all new to me, so let's see. I'm going to take the canopy off this. Okay, so that's out. So before we get too far, let's take the one out of the 65 before I put it into the canopy. Okay. The moment of truth. Yep. Okay. So it's working. So hopefully, if I put it into the canopy, we're going to be in a good place. Okay, let's go try it.
Okay, let's test it, see how she flies. There's a little bit of wind, but 75 should be fine with this. Felt that on the hairs of my legs. Yeah, it's 100 times better, so much better. I'll put up before and after, but that looks so much better. So much better. Yeah, that's good. Oh, I try to do a yaw spin then. I get my buttons muddled up, so I need to do that in the sky upside down. So invert, invert, no, it's this one, okay. Let's try that again. I'm drifting miles away from the car, I've got to be so careful. Okay, so I'm going to go upside down, yaw spin. No, Paul. Upside down, yaw spin. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Where the hell did that just go? Do not. Shit. Okay, don't do that. That was a big mistake. I just put it in this bush over there. Luckily, the battery was still going enough so I could make it make some noise, and I found it. But picture quality is better, and the good thing is I didn't die from snakes or spiders retrieving it. Let's now have a quick blast with the Neo. Okay, Neo time. Let's go. Nearly lost it. Like a very particular way you need to power loop with the Neo. Oh, that was close. That was close. Oh, nearly had put push then. You can feel it when it comes. He's trying to smooth it out and not be too fast with the movement, and you can get away with it sometimes, but oh, yeah, I knew that was going to happen. So the goal is to power loop the sign and get back through it. It's 59%. Does that count if I get through now? Not the cleanest. They're very juddery as I came back down, so it wasn't a smooth loop. So let's try again. A bit faster on the through, up, longer, now off. No, same again, like fart. We have a little bit of battery left, 50%. Because we can probably take it down to like 35 to 40, probably 40, before you start to get any type of loss. Okay, so same, but better. So throw it, speed up, off. Oh, that's never happened in a power loop before. Wow, so annoying. Anyway, that sort of caught the power loop. Does it count if I now go through? Okay. Let's try again. No. Ah! We're at 40. This is where it might be struggling a little bit. Yeah, I think this is like the best I'm going to get. 36% battery. Try one more, but it's probably not going to be good. Oh, very dodgy, very dodgy. So I don't even know, like with 32%, can you get any type of split S? So I'm going to try and go over the post and then under it. I don't think I can get it that tight. I'm probably going to crash. No. Yeah, I'm gonna damage it if I do that. But that was fun. Luckily I haven't crashed in to the post. Okay, battery level low. See if I can land it in manual right in front of the camera. Where is the camera? Oh, there. That'll do. All right, so we're up, back running with the 75 analog. Nearly lost it, but we're okay. And we're flying the Neo as per normal in terms of struggling with the skills, but that's the Neo and my ability as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any requests, and I'll speak to you guys in the next one.